Hello you all, it's time for the internet for today. I found a hilarious way to dry a wet rice. Check out the video that I found on Instagram. Check out the first musical pigeons that know how to play music. I found a video in which a guy uses a toilet plunger to remove icons from mobile phones and laptop. This is the perfect way to erase everything from laptops and mobile phones. One of my subscribers shared a video of what he witnessed something incredible today at work. This is my first time I saw a dramatic mantis that can do acting of being dead. Archery trick shot water drop laying down. This is the time lapse of the penguin rock composition at Joshua Tree National Park. I think that's enough internet for today. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye!